Again, this is David with Home Remedy. Thanks for stopping by. I just want to show you guys my first test run with this iForce jackhammer from Harbor Freight. We used this to take up some concrete in a bathroom that we've been remodeling since Hurricane Helene had flooded this home. So here we're actually removing an existing shower drain and vent pipe and putting things in a little bit different area so we can expand the shower. But the video kind of focusing on this force jackhammer. This thing is about 65 pounds. It's a beast to be able to move around, but the control with this breaker itself is phenomenal. The vibration dampening system inside of the handles there really give you a good feel for it without kind of jarring you to death. Very minimal effect inside your arms and your hands, but moving it can be a beast. And when working with this concrete slab, there are times where you kind of get through the slab and you're having to pull the bits back through from basically from the dirt underneath. So it can wear on you a little bit, but you'll see in the background there is a cart that you can purchase with this breaker as well, and several different options for bits there at Harbor Freight. I believe this thing goes on sale occasionally for $7.99, originally $8.99 if I'm not mistaken. So for the equivalent item at your big box stores, you're looking at one of the Bosch hammers. This thing for the money is absolutely on point. It's a beast. You can see I've got the dust collection system hooked up there for it too. There's a shoe that goes around the bottom of the bit, and the adapter for the vacuum cleaner kind of goes into the top there, keeps it out of your way, and it cuts down on the amount of dust inside of the room by almost from a lot to near nothing. So I definitely recommend getting that portion or getting that part whenever you're looking at this hammer. So if you have questions, feel free to shoot me a message. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Thanks for watching. And if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a like, thumbs up, follow us. We'd love to have you around for some more videos. Take care.